Hi everyone, finding the area of the segment po tayo. Okay? So last time, ang kinuha po natin ay tungkol po sa area ng ating sector. At yung sector natin ay ito pong B, okay? BAC. Kasama po itong arc na to, no? Last time, yan, that is the sector. But today, ang kukunin po natin ay yung tinatawag na segment. Okay? Ano po ba ang segment? Saan makikita ang segment? Ang segment po, this is the region na kung saan bounded by the arc. Ito yung ating arc na tinutukoy, arc BC, at yung tinatawag naman natin na chord, at ito yon si chord BC. So therefore, ang segment po natin ay itong shaded part na ito lamang. So ang tawag natin sa kanya ay segment. Okay? Ang tawag po natin dyan ay segment. And today, gagawin po natin is to find the area of this shaded part na to. Mapapansin nyo, no? Yung ating pong segment is part ng ating pong sector. Okay? So, let's start. For example, ang ating pong radius AC ay 5 cm and this arc is equal to 70 degrees. So, find the area of the segment. Okay? So, area of the segment. So, we will be using the formula of this. Area of the segment is equal to the area of the sector. Kasi mapapansin nyo, sector po yan eh. No? Mula dyan. Minus the area of the triangle. Okay? So, ito po ang gagamitin natin na formula. Bakit po nagkaroon ng area of the triangle? Kasi po, mapapansin nyo, doon sa ating sector, nagkaroon po ng tinatawag na triangle BAC. Okay? So, kaya po napasama itong ating area of the triangle. So, let's start. So, ang formula na gagamitin natin para po sa ating area of the sector, tinuro ko po sa inyo last time, area of the sector, that is the angle theta times pi r squared over 360. While, so minus tayo, while the area of the triangle naman po, ito ay 1/2, okay, times r squared, then multiplied by sine theta. Okay? So, ito po yung formula na gagamitin natin. And to start, let's start now. So, we have theta, which is 70 degrees, the measure of the arc po, no? Again, kung ito po ay 70 degrees, ito po is also 70 degrees kasi central angle po. So, we have 70 degrees, okay, times the value of the pi. Ang pi po natin ay, we will use the 3.1416 na value. And we have 3.1416 times the radius. Ang radius po natin ay 5. So, we have here 5 cm. Then, don't forget the exponent. Okay? Over 360. Next, dito muna tayo sa part po ng, ng area ng sector. No? So, we have equals 70, okay, times 3.1416 times, simplify this, 5 squared, it means 5 times 5, and that is 25. Then copy the unit, cm, then don't forget the exponent of 2. Then we have over 360. Next, let's simplify. Ito pong 70 at 360. So, divisible by 10 po sila. So, tanggalin natin yung 0 na isa, tanggalin natin 0 sa baba. So, therefore, ang mangyayari sa kanya ay 7 times 3.1416 and then times 25 cm squared or square centimeter. Then, over, instead of 360, 360 yan po ay magiging 36 na lang. Okay? Next, dalhin natin sa itaas. Okay? So, i-multiply po muna natin itong sa 7 and 3.1416, no? Bago i-multiply sa 25. Tingnan natin. So, let's have here. 7 times 3.1416, ang sagot natin dyan ay, that is 21.99. Nag-round off na po tayo, no? Then, times 25 cm squared or a square centimeter. Then, that is over 36. Next, simplify ulit natin. 21.99 times 25, ang sagot naman natin dyan ay 549.75 square centimeter. Then, over 36. Next, divide. So 549.75 over 36 or divide by 36, and that is 15.27 cm squared or square centimeter. So this one ay ang area po ng ating sector. So may kukunin pa po tayo. Ano yung kukunin natin? Ang kukunin po natin ay ang area naman ng ating pong triangle. So gawin natin. Let's start. So the area of the triangle, the symbol na lang, is equal to 1/2 times r squared times sine theta. Okay? And we have 1/2. Ang radius natin ay 5. So, big sabihin po, that is 5 cm, then exponent 2. Then, times sine. Yung theta natin, ang value kanina po ay 70. So, we have 70 degrees. Okay? Next, simplify. 1/2, 5 squared, that is 25. Then, copy the unit, which is the cm, then squared. Next, get the value of this sine 70 using your scientific calculator. Pwede nyo pong gamitin yon. Pipindutin nyo lang po, sine, and then 70, then equal sign. Okay? Next, ang value po niyan, sine 70 using the cycle, yan po ay 0.9397. Round off na po natin yung pang-apat na digit. Okay? Next, multiply natin. We have 1/2, 25 times 0.9397. Ang sagot natin dyan ay 23.49 square centimeter. Then, divide 1/2 ng 23.49 cm squared at yan naman po ay 11.75 square centimeter. So, ito po ang area ng ating pong triangle. So, hindi pa po tayo tapos, no? Kanina, ang nakuha natin is the area of the sector. So, ngayon naman, ang gagawin natin ay isubtract ito pong si 15.27 and 11.75 para makuha yung area ng ating segment. Okay? Area of the segment is equal to the area of the sector, okay, minus area of the triangle. Okay? So, nakuha natin kanina ang area ng sector, which is 15.27 square centimeter. Then minus the area of the triangle naman na nakuha natin kanina ay 11.75 square centimeter. Then just subtract the numbers. 11.27 minus 11.75, and that is 3.52 square centimeter. So in other word, ang area po ng ating segment, no? Yung segment natin ay nasa 3.52 cm square. Okay, that's it.